ऐसे लग रहा था कोई मूवी चल रही है हमारे सामने।
What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Day 4 dive 2 and आज we'll go deeper and I'll use the GoPro क्योंकि आज परमिशन मिल गई from my instructor कि I'm just okay. I'll tell you, हमने confined dives की हैं 3 yesterday, नहीं उससे पहले एक और दिन हमने 3 और की थी. So it is like confined means shallow waters में you learn the basics and the skills, and today we go deep with our instructor. काफ़ी cloudy है again and yesterday night it rained, so ठंड भी हो गई है. तो कल तो वैसे ही ठंड लग रही थी जैसे आपने जसीना को देखा, तो आज
ये तो बहुत ही वो है।
जसीना, व्हाट हैपेंड विद द गॉगल्स?
Do you see the dent on my forehead, guys?
कहाँ पे डेंट आ गए?
पहले वीडियोस में देखा होगा आई थिंक। ये वो गॉगल्स पहन के हो जाता है यार।
मेरा तो परमानेंट है। It was raining on यार यहाँ पे साइनस ना, तो we changed the goggles. अंदर जाके तो pressure is so much, so वो यहाँ पे करता है। Anyway, so we change करेंगे। We'll do our initial tests of the equipment और उसके बाद पहन के we'll go वहाँ पे आज दूसरे डाइव लोकेशन पे. So new corals, new fishes, many other things. जसीना चेक कर लो। जसीना शी डूइंग ऑल हर चेक्स, मैंने तो कर लिया, मेरा ठीक है। वो नीचे जाके पता लगता है। नहीं वी हैव टू टेक इट हियर। टुडे वी डू प्रॉपर नेविगेशन। ये रहा हमारा कंपास एज वेल, नेविगेटर ही है। सो होपफुली हमारे टेस्ट भी स्किल होंगे। अब अपना न्यू वेट सूट आज ब्लू एंड ब्लैक। मस्त बूट। जसीना क्या हुआ? शूज़ देखा था एक्साइटमेंट में। हेलो बच्चा, बाय, गुड बॉयज. This will be my setup. I'm using red filters. Welcome to the dive which changed our lives, and it will change yours for sure. The deep waters of the Andaman will go to 10 meters today. As you see here, we are going to gear up inside the water with the help of our instructor. As we were trained yesterday, we will apply it today. Once that's done, we start descending our way down slowly, but equalizing our nose so the pressure does not build up and cause a ear burst. Yes, that's very important to signal the buddy that you're okay, and only then continue down. Before we start our dive today, we will practice a few skills before we go forward. First one is taking out the goggles and then putting them back on so that you know how to clear the water inside and also to look inside in the salty water. Ab meri bari hai. It was a struggle, but with training and practice, it becomes fine. Next exercise is taking out the air regulator and putting it back on. Just in case the air regulator slips out of your mouth, you know what to do. And then flush it back so that all the excess water goes out. And now we start with our dive. You can see here we are at a depth close to 10 meters. But before we start, the instructor had one more thing in his mind. Straight line navigation. Yes, it was time to do our navigation underwater. Jessina was first, as always. While doing this, he spotted this stingray, which killed Steve Irwin, the famous guy. We also found strange things like tires and this strange looking fish. Do let me know in the comments if you know the name of this fish. It is a fact that more than 80% of our ocean is unmapped, unobserved and unexplored. What a mystery, what a beautiful mystery. What an awesome moment. थोड़ा फ्लोट करना दिक्कत हो रही है, but मेहनत लग रही है बहुत। तो करो मुझे, कितना मजा आ रहा है इसमें भाई, बहुत मेहनत। ओ मैन, कहाँ से कहाँ। पर पहले चाय, After that, we head down for our next dive at a place called Corruption, where we'll see a mysterious fish which you will also see. But first, we will go really deep in this dive, around 18 meters into the deep blue dark spaces of the ocean bottom. While we were just entering, we found this beautiful sea turtle swimming its way. What a beautiful, beautiful sight. Swimming away into the darkness, the mystery of the underwater world. When we were doing this, we found something extreme. There was current which was pushing us all around, and we couldn't swim at all. We needed the help of our instructor. So Titiksh, our instructor, he held on to us. First, I was the one who was instructed to a safe place. I grabbed the stone and waited for Jasina. Jasina got lost, so the instructor went out to search for her and brought her to me, and then we both waited silently. While waiting there, we found an eagle ray which unfortunately I could not capture. It was a rare sight, just like these mysterious barracudas which appeared, the ferocious predators diving at depths of 15 to 18 meters. It was time to go surface since our air was low. We regrouped, and as you see here, Jasina, she is pointing towards something. That was our dive computers, which keeps a track of our time underwater. Our instructor here then deployed a surface marker for reference while we float, since we have to hover at a depth of around 5 meters, so the nitrogen in the body releases out. So Jasina, आज क्या देखा हमने?
We saw this eagle ray flying ऐसे लग रहा था कोई मूवी चल रही है हमारे सामने.
Guys, eagle ray is something which even these guys don't find it easily, and this was their season का first spot. And Jasina, I and my instructor Titiksh, we were lucky. So I think it was a really lucky day. But red filter घूम गया, उनका earring घूम गया, Jasina के चश्मे घूमने वाले थे. So अभी घर जाते हैं, थोड़ा रेस्ट करते हैं. So today's dive was awesome and at the same time really tiring because we went till 20 meters. So अभी I'm just resting with this black thing. अगर आपने देखा अभी तक, देखा कैसे नहीं दिख रहा है. This is for D-tan. I'm using this Bombay Shaving Company का black peel off mask, which helps in removing excess oil and dirt which is in the pores. So I cannot afford to have a pimple here because goggles पहनो, so it compresses, तो वहाँ पे दर्द होता है because कल एक और डाइव है. So अभी के लिए ये है, and then we'll go outside, जो आपको दिखाऊंगा अभी, the pond which is so beautiful यहाँ पे, and वहाँ पे जाके we will chill, relax, कल के लिए we'll get ready. So in this resort we have this beautiful room which is my kind of room. यहाँ पे dumbbells है, mattress है, and a mat है. Practice yoga यहाँ पे, and one of the best things I have learned in the past 1 month is doing meditation. I've gone into that world of doing meditation, which really keeps me sane and also helps me clear my mind and produce content, because if your mind is cluttered then definitely कुछ अच्छा नहीं निकलता. Then you have a beautiful view of the forest of Andaman. We will go somewhere there. I'll show you वहाँ पे pond which is so beautiful. It's like a small valley which has a pond in which you can swim, but lot of snakes here, so we have to watch out for that. पानी के ऊपर is a different feeling, पानी के अंदर is a different world altogether, and highly recommend you guys do this once in a lifetime. Accumulate some money for this vacation. It will cost you a little bit, honestly, but it is definitely worth it. Mama, you are ready? कैसा रहा board exam?
अभी रुको.
हाँ?
अभी please.
अभी nervousness है?
Yes, definitely, and hell of a lot.
Hell of a lot, don't
It's gonna
worry.
be my first time underwater.
So guys, आज we decided that we'll get Mama also, because she was sitting at home तब से not doing any dives. उनका we have to break the barrier. By the way, this is the last day. आज we are doing additional dive on Corruption because we saw something special. हमने कहा एक और तो बनता है. So अभी we'll go, and आज the sun is also, the sky is also clear. So beautiful day. So mom, कैसा लग रहा है?
Awesome.
Scared?
Till now it's fine.
चला, yeah, okay.
Few moments later.
वाह क्या हुआ? क्यों नहीं किया डाइव? कहाँ डाइव नहीं किया? So guys, Mom is finally doing her shallow water dive.
मजे आ रहे हैं एकदम.
मजे आ रहे हैं आज हमारे.
Great weather also.
Today is our last day. So this was the last dive in Andaman and Nicobar, but not life ke liye, because abhi is the start and I love this experience. It is scary for some people. For example, my mother, she didn't do it, but she did snorkeling, but that is totally fine, one step at a time. But I must say, sabko karna chahiye. This is an underwater world which we have not explored. In fact, we know more about Mars than we know about our underwater world. So ये गूगल में नहीं पढ़ा था मैंने. Anyway, get ready for the next journey, which is a continuation. वहाँ पे हम करेंगे something even more fun. नहीं ये भी fun था, वो भी fun होएगा. So till then, stay tuned. What you have to do is press the subscribe button, like this video, share it, and also thank you so much for all the support. I hope you all are loving this scuba diving experience. और पहले का भी नहीं देखा तो वो भी देख लो. So अभी surfing में मिलते हैं. See you later.